A major announcement this week from President-elect Donald Trump and SoftBank CEO Masayoshi Son.
I'm thrilled to announce that SoftBank will be investing $100 billion in America, creating 100,000 American jobs at a minimum. It will help ensure that artificial intelligence, emerging technologies, and other industries of tomorrow are built, created, and grown right here in the USA.
Innovations in generative artificial intelligence are advancing at a rapid pace, fueled in part by the popularity of large language model programs like ChatGPT, which are trained on vast quantities of textual data to generate new content. But the technology's seemingly unlimited capabilities raise questions about safety and regulation.
The Trump administration has been very clear that it wants to eliminate a lot of the AI regulation that was put into place in the Biden administration, saying they want to unshackle AI to win the AI war against China to lead the world.
At the recent AI summit in New York, attendees expressed excitement for the future of AI, but also a desire for policies and standards that will help mitigate its harms.
Companies want to understand how to avoid the kinds of footfalls and PR disasters that happen when, for example, AI is biased or AI fails to operate as designed.
Gaming entrepreneur Jay Watts notes the calls for transparency from both creators and companies like Valve, a major video game developer and distributor.
Now it is forcing the companies to say how they're using AI instead of just using all these generative assets that you're getting from somewhere, potentially infringing on someone else's rights.
Ensuring that generative AI models are trained on quality data is ideal, but developers don't always have access to it.
When you use a pre-trained version of a large language model, even if you fine-tune the last layer, you do not have control on the massive amount of data it is already trained on. So there could be tuning, but there is no concept of unlearning that data.
Experts suggest incorporating measurements and benchmarks to assess an AI program's performance, which they hope will ultimately drive more business.
That's how you get buy-in, that's how you build in confidence.
Others contend that a regulatory approach that's too heavy-handed could stifle innovation and competition.
If some countries are more aggressive on regulations and some countries are less, then probably the tech companies will move across different countries. AI is a field that every country wants to win, so they will align their regulations.
As artificial intelligence advances, human intelligence must still determine the right balance between innovation and order. Trinh, VOA News, New York.